your girl Justine. I'm back with another video. Hey, how y'all doing, my Mooka Buzz? Okay, OOTD guys, I'm in my jammies, baby. I'm in my jams. I don't want to hear shit. Cause listen, I'm comfortable, okay? Like there's a lot. We have a special guest in the house. Sassy, would you like to say hi to the people? She don't want to talk today. Guys, there's no OTT. I'm in my jammies, baby. I'm in my jammies. I'm comfy. I'm chilling. Okay, so y'all already read the title, so y'all already know what this video is about to be about. How to be freaky in the bed. Like, how to be nasty, baby. How to be freaky. How to be nasty. How to, like, shock a motherfucker. Like, every time after you leave a nigga's presence, he's like... This is a TV, if y'all wondering what that is. Every time you leave a nigga's presence, he's gonna be like, damn, she really did it to me? Like, oh my God. But he gonna be comparing you to every bitch that he come across. On God. But, okay, so, y'all already know. I wrote my look. I got y'all. Okay, because y'all already know I'm a freaky frog. I had been a freak for as long as I can remember. And I was just kind of born with it. I'm dead ass. I'm kind of just like that. However, I have helped friends like bring out they inner nasty. They inner nasty stuff, and then they're like, "Girl, this man been stalking me." I'm like, "Well, you know how it goes when you got the good Ucha Wale, baby. You already know how it goes. He gonna be stalking your house, looking outside your window, and be like, who was that walked by? And it was just you, bitch. And you're gonna be like, oh, okay, I thought that was a nigga. Just kidding, baby. Love you. Have a good day. Like, these men are gonna be going crazy over you. Okay, cool. So, number one, watch corn. Listen, okay? That is one of the ways that I learned everything that I learned. I'm serious. Corn. They sit, they say and they're like, oh, that's not realistic. Head ass. No. Some people do like that. I like that. Because, like, that's what I, like, watch to learn. And it's like, and I actually enjoy it, too. Like, it feels good for me. So, like, what do you mean people don't really like that? That's unrealistic. No, it's not. That shit makes me mad. Like, yes, that's not the only way to do it. But, guys, if we're talking about being freaky. Freaky. You gotta watch different type of, like, adult videos. Watch different type of things that they do. Different type of things that they say. The way they move their body. The way, like, all that. Watch that. Remember that. Like, take lessons on that. Deadass. Watch it. And if it makes you uncomfortable, don't watch it. Just don't watch it. But I'm dead. Like, it really will teach you everything. You just pay attention and watch different categories. Okay? Now, that's 1. 2. Now, this, proceed with caution, okay? Because this is, again, these are the ways that I know, okay? This doesn't mean, okay, next. Have fun with different types of people. Hear me out. I'm not saying go be a tutti. I'm just giving out free kitty for the neighborhood, sitting on the corner like, who wanna lick? No, baby, not that. You don't do that like that, no. I mean, like, have fun with different people. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, date around, yes. Use protection, you know, if you're worried about, like, catch something. But, like, the thing is, like, when you have fun with different types of people, you learn different types of things. It's like, okay, this person taught me how to do this, word. This person taught me how to do this, word. This person, like, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't have to be a roster of 85 niggas, baby. It don't gotta be all that. However, have some fun. Women and men, if you're not into both, then don't do it. But, like, that, have fun. Have fun, because different people are going to bring different experiences, and they're also going to bring different things out of you that you didn't even know was present. Like, you'll be sitting there on a random Thursday morning like, oh, my God, I didn't know my ankles could reach back there. And that's, you know, like I'm saying, like, different people teach you different things, so don't be scared to go out and have fun. Go out, have fun, but be safe. Be safe, you feel me? Don't just be doing whatever. Now, 3, gain overall confidence, and it will show in the bedroom. It really will. Like, so, the number... Here's sassy. Wait. She's chirping at the birds. Can you hear? Yo, please tell me I can hear her. I don't want to show her because, like, it's going to show my neighborhood. Can you fucking hear? She's so fucking cute. I love her. That's my fucking baby. Oh, my God. Okay, now. Gain overall confidence, and it will show in the bedroom, right? So, like, me, I think one of the reasons why I'm so good in bed is because, like, I don't care. Like, I'm really confident. I'm confident about everything that I do. I'm confident about everything that I learn. And the more you practice things, the more, it's just like anything else. The more you do it, the more confident you're gonna feel in it. It's just like learning a new job. It's literally like anything the fuck else. So, like, that ass, like, gain overall confidence and it'll show in the bedroom. The way you walk, the way you talk, the way you dress, like, everything. And that will show in the bedroom. Because one thing is, like, if you gonna be a little freaky deaky, baby, that's fine, child. But, like, you have to, like, in order to be a freak, you have to be confident. You can't, I've never met a shy freak in my life. You know, but they might be out there. No, not shy freak, because there are shy freaks out there. This is like the freak in the women in the streets freak. She's the, yeah. But no, like, Jesse's interrupting me with her chirping. Yo, my God, I gotta stop smoking the ganja, baby. I be fucked up. My memory's butt cheeks. My memory's booty cheeks. I can't remember shit. It's okay. I'm getting better at it. Anyway, I've never met an insecure freak. That's a good way to put it, ever. Like, insecure in the bedroom, insecure with their body, insecure, you know what I'm saying? I wonder if they're out there. If there are any insecure freaks, comment. Next. Now, find a freaky partner. If you do not want to sleep around, that's fine. You know, definitely don't have to. Like, don't do that, you know? But, like, find at least one freaky partner. Like, because, like, again, certain types of people will bring out certain sides of you that you didn't even know was fucking there. Like, they'll teach you stuff. And, like, even though, like, if that partner won't be there anymore, that still will be a new part of you. So, find a freak, stick to him, her, you know, and they're going to teach you some shit. They're going to teach you some shit. They're going to bring out sides of you that you didn't even know. Because sometimes, like, it has to be brought out because you're, like, shy and stuff like that. But, like, I also have, like, a very big thing. I am, like, it's either in you or it's not. I'm going to keep saying that. Because it's, like, I'm not saying that you can't learn how to be one. But I'm just saying when you're a natural freak, like, it kind of comes easy. Like, it comes easier. Kind of like Mary J. Blige, right? She can sing. She can sing, right? But she learned how to sing from voice lessons. Voice coach. Whitney Houston. She always knew how to blow. Like, so it's they both could sing, but it's a different level. You know what I'm saying? Don't be scared to experiment. Dead ass. Like, so what makes you freaky is basically like you just nasty. You're not afraid to try anything, you're not afraid to do anything. There's a certain confidence in the bedroom. Like you just nasty. Like what? Like so like don't be scared to experiment. It's okay. Like, cause if you don't like something, that's fine. At least you tried it though. You know what I'm saying? And then, like, sometimes maybe you'll, like, experiment and you'll try something and you're like, oh, shit. Like, I didn't know I was going to like that as much as I did. You feel me? So, yeah, don't be scared to experiment. Do not. Because that's how you learn things about your body and about, you know, your other person. Don't be afraid to experiment. Another one. Have sex appeal, right? I think I'm going to do a whole video on this, honestly. Like, so sex appeal, like, relates to being sexy, right? It's like one of the things, it relates to being freaky, right? Because it's just like sometimes if you're freaky, like some people could really tell. And like how you walk, how you talk, your confidence, your posture, your eye contact, your like flirty personality, the way you touch yourself, the way you like accidentally entice people. That's sex appeal. If y'all want a full video on sex appeal, let me know. I will do a whole breakdown on sex appeal. Because, like, that's something that I've been told my whole life. I'm so sexy. Like, I've been told that. my fucking God. Customers, I'm sorry. But yeah, have sex appeal. Sex appeal is basically like when you ever been around somebody that's just sexy? Ruby Rose, she got sex appeal. Who else? It's a little hard. Hold on. Chris Brown, sex appeal. Like those are the people that you watch and you get turned on and they're not even doing anything. That's sex appeal. Like that. Last one. Okay, so if you want to like protrude a freaky energy, right? One of the things that I noticed that works, again, is your eyes. Your eyes are the windows to the soul, right? Your eyes could literally do anything. Anything that you want. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just completely different. So, learn how to fuck people with your eyes. Like, that eye. Learn how to, like, with your eyes. Low-key is called, like, undressing people with your eyes. Whatever the fuck. Same shit. Learn how to do that. Because that is one of the things to being, like, freaky. People gonna look at you and be like, why is she looking at me like that? I know she a freak. Like, and that comes with, like, undressing people with your eyes. Oh, God. Undressing people with your eyes and sitting there and looking at them and thinking of all the stuff you would do to them. That's some freaky ass shit. You see what I'm saying? Like, little stuff like that, guys. Little stuff like that. You got it. It's in you. It's in you. Like, that ass. Like, don't be insecure. Don't be shy. Don't get in your head. Don't be like, oh, but like, okay, I don't even feel sexy. Okay, so then scratch everything that I just said. You need to work on your confidence first. That ass. Confidence. Work on your confidence. Work on your self-love. Work on not giving a fuck what anybody says. Work on, like, you know, like, really love yourself. It doesn't matter if you have a bunch of negative ass motherfuckers around you. Like, you should love yourself, bitch. Look at your elbows. Why they going like that? Because they do, ho. And chicken wings get devoured every day. Their elbows go like that. Like, you really gotta, like, you gotta, you know, like, you can't give a fuck about what anybody thinks of you. That's, like, the number one thing to confidence and freakiness. Like, you just cannot give a fuck. You need Sofia Vergara. She's sexy. She just popped up in my head. Ooh, that girl is fine. She don't even gotta do nothing. She's just fine. But, sorry, I be reading my comments. Like, y'all never stop commenting, and I love it. My babies. Okay, but yeah, I love y'all so much. Be confident. Own it. Okay? Whether you're a freak, whether you're not a freak, it's okay. It really, like, it's okay. You're still more than enough. You're still amazing. If you don't force something. You know what I'm saying? Because that goes back into changing yourself instead of fully accepting and loving yourself, right? Like, if this is something that you really want to do, put the work toward it. Put the energy toward it. You'll be able to accomplish it. Put it in your in your glamour spells. Put it in your glamour magic. Like, you know what I mean? And you got this. You can accomplish anything. And I love y'all so much. My mook butt. I don't got no drama. I don't got no nothing. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm chilling. I'm good. I'm alive and well. I can't wait to move. I'm really excited for that. My voice is gone again. I love y'all so much. And I will see y'all in my next video. Peace. Stop. Oh, my God.